Hey guys, it's Trell here from Cats and Bass, and today I'm going to show you how to tie a regular knot. Well, today you see I got the Eagle Claws. I got them from Walmart. They're pretty good to use. I always get the biggest ones when I'm catfishing. So like the size 6, that's like the best ones for me to use. So today, I'm going to show you is when you're doing, I call this a beginner knot because it's the first knot I learned and it's probably the easiest knot I learned. So you just want to put your line through the hook. Take it up about a good 4 inches, and then you want to turn it like 10 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you want to take the tip of your line and put it through the down there at the bottom. Let's see, bottom of the line. Then once you hold it with your finger right there, and then you just pull. And I think this is a good knot because it's hard to break. It won't come off easy, but the access line you can just take off. See, there you go.